Hi everyone, I'm Rosanne from the Social Rose Designer event. So today we're going to be making a tall, organic, garden style, very loose foliage floral centerpiece. We've got some roses, blush roses, we've got mauve roses, we've got some dark purple anemones, we've got some white roses, some dark purple stock, some pink stock, some veronica, and some clematis. And we're going to start off with our Smilex vine. So this is going to be the focal point that will cascade from the dish and create impact and drama when you look at it. And next we're going to use our stalks. So we're elongating our centerpiece with our linear flowers. And I'm going to add some color texture by adding the pink stalks into our arrangement. Now we're going to move on to our roses, giving dimension at different levels. This centerpiece is going to be unique regardless of what angle you're looking at it from. So the ivory color is going to be at the deepest point, and then I'm going to start building on top of that. And this right here that I'm using is called New Zealand Pittosporum. And now I'm starting to put a bit of texture in by adding some silalies. This is just going to give my arrangement some depth. And I'm going to continue on with my white roses. The same steps here by adding some more New Zealand Pittosporum. And by adding different greenery, it just gives your arrangement more life and more substance because you're adding different textures, leaves of different sizes. Next, we're going to go in and use some of our clematis here. And this is a beautiful flower that will cascade down the sides of our arrangement. Now we're going to go to our next layer of roses, and these in particular are called Sweet Eskimo. Now I'm going to add some seeded eucalyptus, and this is going to add even more texture. Now I'm going to add some veronica, and this is going to give us a beautiful texture. Finally, we're going to use our amnesia roses, which are a beautiful mauve color. The final flower that I'm going to put in after I finish greening is going to be the anemone. The anemone does have a bit of delicate stem, so we're going to put this in last. So here you have a beautiful, tall, very full, textured arrangement, very dramatic, still soft with its colors and textures, but it has a lot of depth and volume all at the same time. This is a great example of a very impactful centerpiece. Thanks so much for joining us. And if you have any questions for us or any comments, please share them below. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can stay tuned for the next episode.